Good morning students. Today I am going to present a lecture on chapter 9 Establishment of Company Rule in India. In this video I am going to share some map regarding this chapter. First map which I will explain you about the route to India in the 18th century. We know that Britishers and all other companies came to India for trade. The route they decided was from the Atlantic Ocean to Cape of Good Hope, and after crossing the Atlantic Ocean and after crossing the west of Africa and from the Madagascar and in the Indian Ocean to the Indian subcontinent, they reached Goa and all other important states of India like Surat, Bombay, Madras, Calcutta with the help of these routes decided by them. The Royal Charter, after the approval of Elizabeth, with the approval of Queen Elizabeth in 1600, Britishers started to develop their colony in India. By the time the first English ship sailed down the west coast of Africa around the Cape of Good Hope and crossed the Indian Ocean, the Portuguese Vasco da Gama was the first European who came to India and had established its presence in the western coast of India and had their base in Goa. In fact, it was Vasco da Gama, a Portuguese explorer, who had discovered this sea route to India in 1498. By the early 17th century, the Dutch too were exploring the possibilities of trade to the Indian Ocean. Soon the French trader arrived on the scene. These important trading companies found a new destination for doing their trade at international level. Now students, this is our second map of this chapter. In this map I am showing you about the location of Europe, countries of Europe in the 18th century. There are different countries. Portugal, from where the first European trader Vasco da Gama came to India. Then near to it, Spain is another country. Then third, France East India Company, and fourth is England, who ruled over India for more than 200 years. Then there is one important country, Austria. We will read today about Austria. And one more country, Prussia. It is south of Baltic Sea, Prussia. These are the important centers. About them we will read.